Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I am going to show you how to create backup of WordPress site. So let's start. So guys, there are a lots of plugins in WordPress to take a backup of WordPress, but I would like to install WP all-in-one migration. It is the best plugin. You just have to install from the directory because it is the free plugin. After installation you have to activate it. So guys, as you can see, a menu is created in the WordPress. So import, export and backups. You have to export it. You have to export in a file just like that, and after a while it will create a backup. So guys, as you can see, a backup is created. You can download it easily by clicking on it, and it is downloading. So after that, go to backups. As you can see, a backup is here. You can restore, download, and you can delete also. You can create a backup from there also, like that. So after that you can also import, but for the import you have to install another paid plugin. So I am going to install this plugin first. As you can see, it is downloaded. So this is the paid version of WP migration plugin. You just have to install it. Just you have to check the updates so that both versions are updated. So after that you have to go to import. You have to select a file from your root. So guys, as you can see, it is importing my previous backup. After that you have to proceed it. It is restoring my all files. So guys, it is imported successfully. After that you have to save your permalinks, and you can save permalinks from there. Save the post name. So guys, remember one thing, after imported you have to use your backup login details. So guys, if you find my video useful, don't forget like, subscribe and share. And if you need WP migration paid versions, you can contact me. Finally, thanks for watching.